Welcome to Arrange Wave. Today we're talking about sidechain compression as a mixing technique. Okay, so here we have a drum loop and a bass guitar, and I'm going to start that so you can give it a listen. So we're going to make a little bit more room for this kick drum to shine, and we're also going to help these two grooves that weren't played together feel more glued and feel more together by sidechaining the bass to the kick. So let's go ahead and add compression to this track. Under Audio Effects and Dynamics, you'll find a compressor. Double click on that. Okay, so now we got our compressor pulled up, and we're going to be sidechaining that to our kick drum track. So in the compressor, you'll click Sidechain, and then for input, select Kick. All right, let's play it, and then we'll see how it sounds. Okay, so you can see how the threshold jumps every single time the kick hits. So we're going to pull that all the way down. And you can see the output dip every time the kick hits the compressor. Here it is soloed. So the idea here is to bring clarity to the kick drum. As we remove some of those bass frequencies when the kick is activated, it allows the kick drum to shine a little bit more. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.